everyone, Monica Uihangi here from Close to My Heart, and I am here to show you a brand new special. It is the beginning of February, the beginning of the month. So, what does that mean? Close to My Heart has something awesome for you, and this is just in time for spring, and it is gorgeous. Let's take a look at Gnomes for All Seasons Spring Collection. This is part of a series that we introduced in September, I believe it was. Yes, September, October. We started with the fall, our autumn gnomes. Then we had winter gnomes. Well, ta-da! The spring gnomes are here. Oh, it is so, so beautiful. We have one left after this one. It's the summer collection. But right now, all the focus is on spring. So, so pretty. Don't you love this color combo? Let's take a look at what you get as part of this collection. Now remember, you can buy anything from this collection separate. Like for instance, you could just buy the paper. You can't buy the sticker sheet. You can buy the paper with the sticker sheet or just the paper. You can buy thin cuts. You can buy the stamp set. You could buy the cardstock or the accessory. We've also got a little accessory I'm going to show you. You can buy the whole bundle together for 20% off. And just like we are known for, there's also a scrapbooking and card making workshop too. So I'm going to show you a little sneak peek of some amazing artwork in those. And then as we get further into the time this month, we're going to show you the full details of those workshops. But right now, we're going to be focused on the collection itself. Let's first take a look at this gorgeous, gorgeous sticker sheet. It's a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. You've got some really, really fun, beautiful elements. Now, if you're like, Monica, I'm so over gnomes, this is not for me. Well, guess what, guys? There's only one paper that has gnomes on it, and you can use the backside, which does not have gnomes on it. So really, it's just a fun, beautiful spring paper collection, which is beautiful. So let's take a look under the close-up camera at some of the elements in this sticker sheet. You've got watering cans and little heart sentiments, butterflies. What a beautiful day. Partly sunny with a chance of fun. The little snail kills me. I just think he's so adorable, so cute. Love, love, love these icons. Look at this gorgeous banner. Lots of fun shapes here. Lots of hearts. Little tiny sentiments as well, full of life. Beautiful. Hooray for springtime. Love grows here. Oh, I love that sentiment. Cherish this life. Bloom and grow. Look at there's another, I don't know why, I'm just so into the snails right now. They are darling little tiny birds. And then only 2 of the stickers in this whole entire 12 by 12 sticker sheet are gnomes. So if you're not into the gnomes, no worries. You can just use those on some other project. You don't even have to use them at all, but they are super adorable. Yes, they are. All right, let's stay under the close-up camera and I'm going to show you the paper collection. So you saw that we had them all fanned out there. Here is a little sampling of each of the papers. So you can see we have 6 different designs, beautiful designs. You've got this gorgeous like watercolor stripe, so pretty. Then on the reverse side of that, you have this fun word paper. Look how fun that is, those little circles everywhere. And I die for gingham, anything. Love the color combos on this one. We've got our gnomes for spring. Look at this gingham paper pattern. Oh, so pretty. Then on the reverse side of that paper, you have these gorgeous clouds that have a little bit of like distressing on them. Don't you love this color combo? It's so good. Here are the adorable, precious gnomes doing their gardening, having umbrella time. Oh, just so, so, so cute. Like the wheelbarrow guy. I mean, come on. Snails all over the place. Love those. And then on the reverse side of that is the non-gnome paper. So if gnomes are not your jam, that's okay. You can use snails and cute little potted trees and plants and all kinds of cute and adorable things. I love this little butterfly trail, these little white stitchings all throughout. And take a look at that zip strip. Woo, woo. So good. So that is the paper collection. Let's go back over to the main camera and I'm going to show you the cardstock that you get with this collection as well. So of course you can buy the cardstock singly, but we've taken all the work out and now we're putting this pack together so that it works and coordinates with the paper. So you've got gorgeous, gorgeous 2-tone cardstock with our white core. As you know, we print these so that they're custom colored to Close to My Heart. And here are the fronts and backs of all the papers that come in this cardstock collection. And then you do get a couple of white daisy cardstock as well, but just beautiful colors. Love it. Let me make sure I've got the colors right so I can tell you what they are. We've got flamingo and limeade, jade, glacier, and honey butter. That is your cardstock collection. So there you go. Okay, let's go under the close-up and I'm going to show you up close some of the other fun pieces to this collection. We have our acrylic shapes that are part of this suite. It's exclusive to the suite. You guys, check it out. You've got butterflies, different size butterflies, little flowers that are open. Look at these. You've got, and different styles of butterflies too. So you've got those solid ones, and then these ones here. Lots of cute little flowers. Oh, it's darling, right? Do you love it? So flowers and butterflies, that's what we're doing with this fun acrylic shapes for spring collection for our winter gnomes. I mean, winter gnomes. Oh my goodness. Gnomes for all season. Okay, now we've got the thin cut. Oh, we love thin cuts, don't we? These are our metal dies, so you can see right here. Open that guy up. Maybe, maybe not. So it's a metal die that shows you how to put together, here we go, that fun gnome. So here are all the parts and pieces so that it can be layered and colored in different cardstock or pattern paper. But what a fun way to put together your gnome. This is a fun activity to do for a kid, for grandchildren, like seriously, or just for you. Some paper crafting fun. Look at that. So that's the thin cut. Okay, next up we have our sentiments that are part of this collection, and you can see this is for card making, but really you can use it on anything. Sending a happy hello, your special best wishes. May a rainbow run beside you in a sky that's always blue. Oh, that's beautiful. So this is exclusive to this special. Yes, it is. And you can buy it separate, but if you buy it in the bundle, 20% off. Okay, this one, if you see a blue shadow here on these different images, that means there is a thin cut. There's a metal die. Here are the stamps, so you get the stamps and thin cuts in this one packet. And fun, again, beautiful sentiments. We label this as scrapbooking, but again, they could work for cards too. So just up to you how you want to use them, but lots of options with thin cuts for all of these that are in that blue shade. Okay, that is everything in the collection. Now I have to show you some gorgeous eye candy. We have a card workshop, my friends. Yes, we do. So you can buy the workshops too as bundles in under promotions. So when you go under promotions, you look up a gnome for all seasons, spring, and you're going to see the different offerings that we have. This is the card making workshop. So cool. So far I've showed you 4. Look at all these cards. All these cards. And you make 2 of each card. And we'll give you instructions that are digital. So you can download them and print them or just use them on your device. And we will teach you through the written instructions how to assemble, cut and assemble. That's right. So there you go. Look at that with the accessories on here. Oh, that's so cute. So cute. Okay, so those are the cards. Woo, so good. All right, let's go over here and I'm going to show you the 12 by 12 scrapbooking workshop as well. Let me bring that in, lay it out for you. So again, I'm giving you a sneak peek. I don't think I was supposed to show you all this, but here we are showing you because I love doing that. Okay, got it. This is a single 12 by 12 page. Look at how pretty this one is. You've got your accessories here. There's that pattern paper. Look at the cloud paper here. So pretty. And that sentiment stamped. Sticker usage. So this is a single 12 by 12 page as part of that workshop. Here we go. Here's a 2-page 12 by 12 spread. Look at how fun doing the Easter egg dyeing. And look at that fun paper. Again, oh, here's the little girl gnome right here. But on this page, you can see there's no gnome featured. But look at how cute she is assembled. That's darling. What a beautiful day. It's from that sticker sheet, right? Okay, next up we have this layout. Look how good this one is. So beautiful with the different cloud paper here. We've got our stickers here, another sticker cluster. So pretty. And look at how fun with our Easter baskets. I love it. Okay, last layout here. Look how pretty. This one I think is my favorite. I love, love, love the way the colors do. This paper is so cool. And so it's got some fun sentiments. Bloom where you're planted, picnics in the park, sweet, it says sweet something, sweet spring. I don't know. Anyway, very fun, very seasonal, springy, gorgeous with our accessories and stickers and stamping. Again, this is a 12 by 12 scrapbooking workshop. You can purchase it as a workshop bundle, digital instructions that you can download or view on your device, and we will walk you through how to cut down the paper and how to assemble each of these beautiful, beautiful 12 by 12 pages. Okay, that is the beautiful Gnomes for All Seasons Spring Collection. Now you can access this right now and you can get an amazing deal if you buy everything together at 20% off. So go ahead and check out your Close to My Heart Makers website or go to closetomyheart.com. There's a tab at the top of the web page. You're going to click on that says promotions. And under promotions, you're going to find a Gnome for All Seasons Spring, and there you're going to see all of this gorgeous things and the bundling and pricing and everything individually even. So we are so excited for a Gnome for All Seasons Spring. We hope you love it too. All right, that's it for me. Thank you so much, everyone.